We, in turn, are the pioneers of the winter season. We battle the severe cold to assist farmers in boosting their earnings, spreading warmth to rural areas. In the industrial sector, we confront challenges and adverse conditions using temperature control to aid in construction. Outdoors, we offer exceptional heating solutions that harmonize with nature, extending warmth beyond urban areas. Inside buildings, we provide immediate and efficient whole-house heating, banishing cold in an instant. Relentless pursuit of innovation and our unwavering commitment to top-notch quality have positioned us as leaders in the heating industry, both in terms of production and technological progress. Our products are consistently top sellers, not only in our domestic market, but also on the global stage, serving a diverse range of needs. Whenever there's a need for heating, you'll find Zobo.